Turn text into engaging videos. Introducing Lumen5. In today's digital age, video content reigns supreme. Viewers find videos more engaging than plain text. This is where Lumen5 comes in. Lumen5 is a powerful yet easy-to-use tool that allows anyone to transform written content into captivating videos. Whether you're a blogger, marketer, or entrepreneur, Lumen5 empowers you to reach a wider audience with visually appealing content. Imagine effortlessly turning your blog posts, articles, or social media updates into dynamic videos. Lumen5 makes this a reality. With its intuitive interface and AI-powered features, you can create professional-looking videos in minutes. No prior video editing experience is required. Lumen5's versatility is another major advantage. The platform allows you to create videos in various dimensions, perfect for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels, and Facebook. This means you can tailor your content to fit each platform's specific requirements, maximizing your reach and engagement. Getting started: free sign-up and features. One of the best things about Lumen5 is its accessibility. You can sign up for a free account and start creating videos immediately. The free version offers a generous set of features, making it ideal for individuals and businesses, starting with video marketing. The sign-up process is incredibly straightforward. Simply visit the Lumen5 website and create an account using your email address or social media login. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to a user-friendly dashboard where you can start creating your videos. While the free version is a great starting point, it's worth noting that it comes with certain limitations. For instance, videos created with the free plan will have a Lumen5 watermark. Additionally, you'll have access to a limited library of stock photos, videos, and music tracks. However, the free version provides ample opportunity to explore Lumen5's capabilities and determine if it's the right tool. From blog to video, creating your first Lumen5 project. Creating your first Lumen5 video is incredibly easy. Let's walk through the process of transforming a blog post into a captivating video. From your Lumen5 dashboard, click the Create a Video button. You'll be presented with several options for starting your project. Choose the Start with a Blog Post or Article option. Next, paste the URL of your blog post into the designated field and click Go. Lumen5 will automatically fetch the content from your blog post and generate a basic video template. This template serves as a foundation for your video, which you can customize to your liking. The beauty of using a blog post as a starting point is that Lumen5 intelligently extracts the key points and headings from your text. This saves you the time and effort of manually inputting this information. You can then easily rearrange, edit, or delete any sections to ensure your video flows smoothly. Building your video content, import, and format selection. Once you have your basic video template, it's time to start adding visual elements. Lumen5 offers a vast library of stock photos and videos that you can use to enhance your video. You can also upload your images and videos directly from your computer. To add visuals, simply click on the Media tab in the left-hand menu. You can then browse the library by category or use the search bar to find specific images or videos. When you find a visual you like, simply drag and drop it onto the desired section of your video timeline. Before you go too far in the editing process, it's crucial to select the appropriate video format. Lumen5 offers various aspect ratios optimized for different platforms, such as 16:9 for YouTube, 9:16 for Instagram stories, and 1:1 for Instagram posts. Choosing the correct aspect ratio ensures that your video looks its best on the intended platform. Customization is key text, images, and timing. Lumen5 provides ample customization options to make your videos stand out. You can easily edit the text extracted from your blog post, change font styles, adjust text size, and even add background colors or images to text boxes. In addition to text customization, you can also modify the timing of each scene in your video. This allows you to control the pace and flow of your video. For example, you might want to shorten scenes with less important information and lengthen scenes with crucial details. Don't be afraid to experiment with different customization options to find what works best for your brand and message. Lumen5's user-friendly interface makes it easy to try different things and see how they look in real time. AI to the rescue: automated creation and manual refinement. One of Lumen5's standout features is its AI-powered capabilities. The platform's AI can analyze your text and automatically suggest relevant images and videos from its library. This can save you a significant amount of time and effort, especially if you're short on inspiration or resources. While Lumen5's AI is incredibly helpful, it's important to remember that it's not perfect. It's always a good idea to review the AI's suggestions and make manual edits as needed. You know your content best, and your personal touch will make your videos even more engaging and impactful. Think of the AI as your assistant, not your replacement. Use it to streamline your workflow and generate initial ideas, but don't be afraid to take the reins and make your own creative decisions. Beyond the basics, exploring Lumen5's advanced features. Once you've mastered the basics of Lumen5, you can start exploring its more advanced features. For example, you can add music or voiceovers to your videos to make them even more engaging. Lumen5 offers a library of royalty-free music tracks that you can use, or you can upload your own audio files. Another powerful feature is the ability to add calls to action to your videos. A call to action encourages viewers to take a specific action, such as visiting your website, subscribing to your channel, or making a purchase. You can customize the text, color, and placement of your call to action to ensure it stands out. Lumen5 also allows you to collaborate with team members on video projects. This is especially useful for businesses and organizations where multiple people are involved in the content creation process. You can grant different permission levels to collaborators, ensuring everyone has the access they need. Sharing your masterpiece. Exporting and publishing your video. Once you're happy with your video, it's time to share it with the world. Lumen5 makes it easy to export your video in various resolutions and formats. You can download the video file directly to your computer or share it directly to social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter. When exporting your video, you can choose the appropriate resolution and quality settings for your intended use. For example, if you're uploading your video to YouTube, you'll want to choose a high-resolution setting to ensure it looks its best. On the other hand, if you're sharing your video on social media, you might want to choose a lower resolution setting to reduce file size and ensure faster loading times. Lumen5 also provides embed codes that you can use to embed your video on your website or blog. This is a great way to increase the reach of your video and make it easy for visitors to watch your content directly on your site. Lumen5 for everyone applications across different platforms. Lumen5's versatility makes it an invaluable tool for various individuals and businesses. Bloggers can use Lumen5 to repurpose their written content into engaging videos, attracting a wider audience and driving more traffic to their websites. Marketers can leverage Lumen5 to create compelling video ads, product demos, and social media content that captures attention and generates leads. Educators can use Lumen5 to create educational videos that make learning more interactive and engaging for students. Nonprofit organizations can harness the power of video to raise awareness for their cause, share impactful stories, and encourage donations. No matter your industry or area of expertise, Lumen5 can help you unlock the power of video and elevate your content creation process. Elevate your content. The power of video marketing. In today's digital landscape, video marketing is no longer optional, it's essential. Videos have the power to capture attention, convey information more effectively, and leave a lasting impression on viewers. By incorporating videos into your content strategy, you can increase brand awareness, engage your target audience, and drive conversions. Lumen5 empowers you to harness the power of video marketing without breaking the bank or requiring extensive technical expertise. Its user-friendly interface, AI-powered features, and extensive customization options make it easy for anyone to create professional-looking videos that deliver results. Don't let the perceived complexity of video creation hold you back. With Lumen5, you have all the tools you need to elevate your content and achieve your marketing goals. Ready, Set, Create, unleashing the potential of Lumen5. Lumen5 is a game changer for anyone looking to create engaging and impactful videos without the hassle of traditional video editing software. Its intuitive interface, AI-powered features, and extensive library of stock photos, videos, and music tracks make it easy to bring your creative vision to life. Whether you're a seasoned video creator or just starting, Lumen5 provides the tools and resources you need to succeed. Sign up for a free Lumen5 account today and start creating videos that captivate your audience, boost your brand, and take your content to the next level. The possibilities are endless.